Hello. Today I'll show you how you can implement the SAP Notes you need in order to enhance the CGI_XML_CT and CGI_XML_DD payment medium formats according to the ISO 20022 standard. Our starting point is the collective SAP Note 2253571 that explains the function and lists the related SAP notes that we need to implement in order to use the function. First, I scroll to step 4 and copy the list of SAP notes into a text document and save it. I only need the SAP note numbers. It is very important not to change the order of the notes because they must be implemented one by one in the order they are listed. I select all SAP notes and choose Ctrl+C to copy them. Next, I open the SAP system in which I want to implement the SAP Notes. To download the notes, I run transaction SNOTE and choose Go to Download SAP Notes. I choose multiple selections and enter the list of SAP Notes by choosing the Upload from Clipboard button. Then I choose Execute. The system informs me when the download is complete. In transaction SNOTE, I choose Go to SAP Note Browser. In the Note Assistant, I choose multiple selections in the SAP Note Number field and enter the list of SAP Notes by choosing the Upload from Clipboard button. Then I choose Execute. Now I have the complete list of SAP Notes I need to implement. Please note that the system displays the SAP Notes in ascending order and not in the order of the implementation. I can now start the implementation of the SAP Notes whose implementation status is Can be implemented one by one, following the order in the list of my text document. I select the row of the first SAP Note and choose Execute. If manual activities are needed, I follow the instructions and make the manual implementation steps before I continue. When I am finished, I confirm that the manual activities are completed and I choose Continue. Then I confirm the changes. I continue with the next SAP Note on the list. Then I confirm the changes. I need to ensure that all the objects are selected, both green and yellow. I activate all the objects. After I have successfully implemented all the SAP Notes in the correct order in my SAP system, I am ready to use the new payment formats according to the requirements. What should I do when during or after the implementation I face some issues with the function or I realize that I have not followed the order of the listed SAP Notes? I need to reset the implementation of all the SAP Notes I have already implemented and start the implementation again. Let's have a look at how to do it step by step. First, I copy the list of SAP Notes. Next, I download the latest version of the SAP Notes by choosing Go to Download SAP Notes to ensure that I have the latest versions in my system. Then I choose Go to SAP Note Browser and I enter the list of SAP Notes by choosing the Upload from Clipboard button. Then I choose Execute. I start resetting the SAP Note implementations with the first SAP Note, or the last one, or even several notes at a time, depending on my system settings. Let's give it a try using one example. I select the row of an SAP Note and choose Reset SAP Note Implementation. The system displays the dependent SAP notes that will also be reset. I choose Execute. I ensure that all objects are selected, including the yellow ones, and I choose Continue. When I receive a message about syntax check or activation errors, I choose Activate or Activate Anyway. When all the SAP notes are reset, I start the implementation from the beginning, as explained at the beginning of this video. If, for some reason, I still cannot use it, I contact SAP by creating a customer incident for component FI-AP-AP-B1.